Good morning, everyone. I'm Priyanka here, your maths teacher. Now, again, it's time for your maths class. Today, we will do the exercise 1.5. Our first question is arrange the numbers in the place value chart, then write their expanded form. We have two questions in the same. First of all, we have to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Okay, then we have to expand the same number. We have here number 4538. Okay, here you know that this one is ones place, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousands place. Okay, now these digits we will write in this chart. On thousand place we have 4, so we will write 4 on the thousand place. But don't forget, we have to write the place value. Okay, so on the thousand place 4, count the number of digit after 4. 1 2 3, 3 digits are there, so 3 zeros will come with 4. Now on the hundreds place we have 5, right over here 5. Then after 5, 2 digits are there, write 2 zeros. Now on tens place we have 3, so we will write 3 over here. And after 3, 1 digit is here, then we will write 1 0. Now on ones place 8, no digit is here after ones place, so no 0 will come with this. Okay, with the same process you have to write the expanded form. Thousand place 4000, then write the symbol of plus, then 500, then 30 plus 8. These same numbers you will write over here with plus symbol. Okay, we can try one more example. First of all, check ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousand place. On first of all, we will take the thousand place, that is 3. Count the number of digit after this. 1 2 3, 3 zeros. Then on hundred place 0, then we will write it only 0. On tens place 8, and 1 digit is there after this, so we will write 1 0. On ones place 5, no digit is here after 5, so no 0 will come here. Same numbers we will write here. 3000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 5. Clear? Okay. Now our next question is write the place value of the underlined digit. Same process we will do over here, but only we have to tell now the underlined digits place value. Okay, so underlined digit is here 2. You first of all you will write 2. Now check how many digits are there after 2. No digit is there, so no 0 will come. Okay, then next part 4183. Check that underlined digit is 8. And how many digits are there after 8? 1 only. So 1 0 will come here. Clear? Now our next part is write in the expanded form. We have to write it in expanded form. Earlier also we have done the same. We will repeat the same method. First of all, take the first digit, that is on thousands place, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. On thousand place we have 3. Count the number of digits after 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros will come here. Then plus. Then next digit is 8. Count the number of digits after 8. 1, 2. 2 digits are there. Now our next digit is 1. Count the number of digits after 1. Only 1. So we will write 1 0 only with 1. Our last digit is 9 and nothing will come with 9 because no digit is there after 9. 9 के बाद कोई digit नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ कोई 0 नहीं आएगी. Clear? Our next part is write in the short form. We have to write it in short form. Okay? It is just opposite of the above part. Earlier we were having the short form. We were converting it in expanded form. Now we have the expanded form and we are going to convert it in short form. Clear? This one, don't forget that earlier, first of all, we have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay? Same process. First of all, take the 1000 digit. But remove the zeros. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. On 1000 place we have 4. On 100 place we have 3. On tens place we have 8. And on ones place we have 0. Directly you can write. Or one more method you have. You can add all these numbers. 4388. Add all these 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. 8. 0 plus 0 0 plus 8 8. 0 plus 3 3. 4 ka 4. Okay. Same answer we got. Sorry, here 8 is there. By mistake I written 8 is here, so 8 will come here. Okay. With the same method, any method you can choose. I told you two methods, one addition and one directly. So with the same you can do the next part. On 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place we have to check the numbers. On 1000 place, in 1000 we have 3 zeros, so on 1000 place we have 7. In 100 we have 2 zeros, this one is 100 place. In tens we have 1 0 but nothing is there on tens, so leave that. On ones place no 0 comes, so this one is our ones place. We don't have the tens place. टेंस प्लेस पर एक ज़ीरो होती है साथ में और एक ज़ीरो वाला कोई भी नंबर नहीं है हमारे पास, तो हमारे पास यहाँ टेंस प्लेस नहीं है. ओके. नाउ ऑन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, 100 प्लेस 7 is there. On tens place nothing is there, so we will write here 0. And on ones place we have 7. Clear to all? Good. Now our turn is for next exercise. Exercise 1.6. Very easy exercise this is. Our first part is fill in the correct symbol with less or greater signs. Okay. हमें बताना है कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. For that, our first step is to count the number of digits. कितने digits है हमें वो count करना है. Count here 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Equal number of digits are there. Okay. Now next step is to count, check the first digit. Our first digit is 3, here also 3, same. Then we will go to the next. Here first digit is 1, here first digit is 4. It means this one is greater, so we will write the greater sign here. Okay. Our next part is same process. First step is check the number of digits. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 digits are there on both sides. Now check the first digit. Here first digit is 4 and here 5. It means this one is greater, so we will write like this. Open side will come on with the greater side. Now you got which one is smaller and which one is greater. Our next part is on the base on the same greatest number and smallest number. We have to tick on the greatest number and cross on the smallest number. How we will check? First of all, we have to count the number of digits. 1 2 3, 3 digits हैं इसमें. 1 2 3 4, इसमें 4 हैं. 1 2 3 4, 4 हैं इसमें. 1 2 3, इसमें 3 हैं. तो स्मॉल ये 3 वाले हैं और ग्रेटेस्ट में ये 4 वाले हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक आउट ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट्स वाले. चेक द फर्स्ट डिजिट. ये 1 है, ये 9 है. इट मीन्स दिस वन इज ग्रेटेस्ट, सो वी विल राइट टिक. Now out of the smallest, we will check the smallest number out of these two. Check the first digit of both. Here we have 8 and here 6. It means this one is smallest, so we will write cross over here. Clear? Our next questions are ascending and descending orders. How we will check, how we will write in ascending and descending orders? In ascending orders, we always goes for from smallest to biggest. Okay, छोटे से बड़े की तरफ. And in descending, we always goes from biggest to smallest. Clear? So on the basis of this, you have to solve the ascending and descending questions yourself from exercise 1.6. Okay, and do it today only. Clear? Thank you.